As a going concern, the success or failure of an organization depends on the number of failed or successful projects executed by the firm. Hence, team, time, communication, and stakeholders management emerge as crucial pillars of a project's success, and invariably, the success of an organization hinges on proper integration of these factors. Although strategic planning and goal setting is important to SMEs, chunk of SMEs projects die at the execution stage as supported by statistics. Over time, several factors have notoriously contributed to project failure around the globe, and today we are going to learn about what they are, and why they are so important in a bid to understand how best to address them and bring an end to their negative contributions to the growth of corporations, and their positive contributions to firms' death. This session explores the following 3 significant factors, which include communication, team collaboration, and time and stakeholders management as important factors to projects and firm success or failure. Proper planning. Every act of success depends on how well prepared, planned, and executed the act is. Even a successful bad act like a bank heist requires careful planning and dissection of what might go wrong. Nonetheless, how well planned a project is, depends on how well we know every step involved. Why is it important? Proper planning fosters productivity management and enhances efficiency. Productivity management ensures optimum and efficient utilization of time, budget, and talent. It ensures proper allocation of tasks based on team members' strengths, availability, and skills. Hence, minimizes work overload, promotes balanced distribution of workload, and minimizes redundancy. Additionally, productivity management encourages realistic goals and measurable milestone setting, which provides a sense of direction and purpose, keeps team members motivated, enables effective progress tracking, through monitoring of performance against set targets, and ensures timely correction of courses of action and efficient resource allocation. Lastly, productivity management enhances continuous improvement through proper project metrics analysis, which assists in bottlenecks identification, process enhancement, and efficiency optimization. Through this data-driven approach, team members can identify best practices, constantly refine project strategies, and eliminate inefficiencies. Communication and collaboration. The number one killer of any project is the lack of proper flow of communication on who does what, when, and how. Being the lifeblood of a successful project, communication serves as a means of conveying information, expectations, and ideas among team members, clients, and stakeholders. Proper communication enhances understanding, minimizes misunderstanding, and aligns team members toward a common goal. With open channels of communication, team members can share important project deliverables, timelines, and updates. Thus, enables a proactive approach to decision-making and problem-solving, and prevents delays and bottlenecks. Through effective communication, team members can seek feedback, share ideas, bond together, build rapport and trust, and engage in meaningful discussions. Thus, allowing for the convergence of diverse perspectives, fostering a supportive, positive, and conducive environment, and contributing to superior project outcomes. These acts are often seen as effective collaboration and team spirit among team members. With collaboration, team members can harness skills, share knowledge, pool diverse wisdom and experiences together, take ownership of tasks, and become mutually responsible for project success. Customers and stakeholder management. Customers are the backbone of every organization. Their importance and why they matter has been discussed in one of our videos on customer relationship management. The link to the video has been included in the description below. Do ensure you check it out. Another important metric used in measuring an organization's or project's success or failure is the number of customers the idea or project can convince, which is also measured in terms of market share. Customers play a vital role in the success of an organization and a project, as they form the source of firm's cash flow. Consequently, managing their needs, expectations, and requirements is crucial to project success. Since no project is cast in stone, successful projects undergo a change process through which customers' feedback is obtained, customers' expectations are realigned with project objectives, and areas for improvement are identified. Thus, understanding customers' expectations and needs enable project managers to define, redefine, and realign project objectives, deliverables, and scope. Engaging with customers before, during, and after the project lifecycle helps in aligning project expectations and goals, and assists in securing their support. Despite the importance of these factors, some critical statistics show that management of these factors is far from desired result. In today's era of app overload, it's difficult to know where and when essential project updates will pop up. Thus, team members are misaligned on the proper communication channel to use, who should say what to who, and when to use the communication channels. Statistics show that on average, according to 2021 Index on Anatomy of Work, people switch 25 times between 10 apps daily to do their work. 27% concur with missing actions and messages when switching apps. Similarly, 26% of deadlines are missed weekly. This problem can be resolved by using appropriate project management tools to create a proper communication plan and project schedule, as will be discussed shortly. Additionally, a study by PwC on 10,640 projects in 30 countries from 200 companies across several industries found that only 2.5% of companies completed their projects successfully. Another study published by Harvard Business Review, which presents the result of 1,471 IT projects, discovered an average overrun of 27%, and in every 6 projects, one had overrun cost of 200% on average, with 70% schedule overrun. Also, a study by KPMG showed that over 70% of organizations suffered at least one project failure in the previous 12 months, and only 58% understand the importance of project management. A study by PwC found that of the high-performing projects, 77% report using project management software. Finally, ease of use, integration, and reliability are considered as selection criteria for project management softwares by 73% of business leaders. Given the importance of the 3 factors considered previously to project success, the alarming statistics suggest a lack of due consideration for them, the need to cater to them, and the absence of a single platform to streamline activities relevant to them. We took time to conduct market research and were able to discover an all-encompassing and widely used project management tool, Monday.com, and also bring some review of the platform from a well-known review platform, Trustpilot, to assist you in making an informed decision. Monday.com is a multi-purpose project management platform that assists with streamlining workflow and enhances team collaboration to keep the team organized, enhance communication, and boost productivity between team members. Whether small or large corporations, Monday.com caters to all sizes of industries and teams. Let's get familiar with the features of Monday.com. User Interface. Monday.com user interface is intuitive and clean, and information is presented in a visually alluring manner, making it easy to navigate and understand. You can utilize the drag-and-drop customizable dashboard to personalize your workspace. Additionally, it ensures you only see what's important to you only. Collaboration and communication. Monday.com communication tools such as file sharing, team chat, and task comments ensure seamless team collaboration, eliminate the need for continuous back-and-forth emails, and streamline messages. With this, you can assign tasks, track progress, set deadline, and keeps the team on the same page. Automation and integration. Monday.com automation capabilities assist you to automate repetitive tasks and create custom workflows. Its integration with apps like Google Drive, Trello, and Slack allows seamless data synchronization while providing you with the privilege to import data and work with your existing external platforms or tools. The reviews. We dug deeper into our research to unearth some reviews from Monday.com existing users, and the result is mind-blowing. Monday.com has an average of 4.1 stars for 3,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and 4.7 stars on average for 8,000 reviews on G2.com. Here are the top 10 reviews. For more info on Monday.com, check out the link in the description below. Do like and subscribe to our channel for up-to-date reviews and tips to maintain productivity and growth. Feel free to leave comments below if you've used Monday.com before, or have any questions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay positive. Stay productive.